What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by Nolasco. Here in this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and we are on Burlington and we are lucky. As you can see, they are restocking up good ones on sneakers aisle, so hopefully we could find something. And this one is a Nike Freerun, and the price of $24.99 is not bad for a Nike running shoes, and they are having a lot of stock here. They got a bunch of this one. Resale value is not that much. And how about this one? Checking out this Nike Super Rep. Be tempted to have this one. $39.99. I would love to have this one and the personal for running shoes. And this Converse is also good one for $34.99. The resale, not much going on. This one, we got some kind of throw shoes, something. I'm not sure, really sure what kind of shoes is this one. This orange thing, and this one a tempo running shoes. Let's go aside a little bit on this clothing. We got a Calvin Klein, and it is the price of $9.99. Wow. All right, let's go back and let's see what we find in women's section. And also, as you can see, they also restocking up a lot of good stuff for women's, and I hope we could find something really good in here. So as you can see, they got a bunch of new box incoming, new sneakers, different types, and this one different size, like bigger sizes. So, ooh, look at this one. Golf running shoes, a very flowery thing on the inside and also on the bottom. It is the Cortez $24.99 golf shoes. I'm taking this one. Ooh, look at those. Air Max. 720? 270? Yep, 720. It's Air Max 720 triple black, $59.99. A little bit pricey though. Okay, Jordan. Hey, look at those Jordan 1 zip high for $49.99. I already have me some triple black on this one. It is very premium, very soft. I really like it, but the only thing is they don't have lace. And let's go. Ooh, have this one, Air Jordan 1 Retro Premium Utility Pack. If this like bigger sizes and it's women men's size, I'll take it. And this price of $39.99 is not bad. I wish it could be a bigger sizes for men's. Well, how about the Nike women's Air Max Tailwind 4 mint green colorway running shoes? It is nice for the price and the color, but the resale value is not much going on because $49.99 is too expensive. How about another Air Max? Well, pass on this one. Okay, let's move on. Oopsie, what we got here? Air Max Epic React Flyknit $39.99. The colorway on this one is not bad for that gray. I'm taking this one. It's really good for nice running shoes, performance shoes. So I'm taking this one. Okay, Air Force One Valentine's Day. Ooh, wow. Why this one is in here? $29.99. They put it here. This is supposed to be in the kids section. But anyway, Valentine's color with some kind of pinkish thing going on, and the price of $29.99. It should be in the kids section, but they are putting women's. Another good one, Cole Haan. Wow. Grand Zero. Check that price. $12.99. I can't believe this one. 0 grand, very high quality shoes. 0 grand. Wow. Cole Haan. Wow. Okay. How about this Adidas? You got the Solar. The price of $39.99 for this Solar Boost ST19 is not bad for a good running shoes. So let's go sa kids sections, as you can see, Air Max Plus GS purple, laser, orange. Ooh, not bad for this one. And the price of kids shoes is $29.99, so it is really good. Want to go on the kids section to look for quality shoes. And how about this one? Running shoes, $29.99, not bad also. But resale value, I'll pass for now. So we got more of this Air Max Plus. It is more smaller sizes though, 4.5. The one that I have is a bigger ones, and this one's also a good one. The Air Max, another Air Max, very colorful as well. The price of $29.99. And how about this Converse, $34.99 for this nice quality premium leather of Converse ERX 260. I'll pass for now. And checking out also on the luggage section, I'm traveling. $300 for this Timberland, and the price of $29.99. You can't go wrong on this one. So looking into this section sometimes, because if I really want to go for a travel or something, it is not bad for the $29.99 though. Okay, $300 retail. Okay, checking out now. Let's pay these bad boys, taking them home. Hopefully I could make more money on this one, turning these Jordans into 100-200% return of investment. And there you go, everyone. Ooh, we got lucky today. We got good ones here that I found on the Burlington, especially these Jordans, and another Jordan right there. But let's break it down on how much would be my profit if I listed them on different platforms like eBay, Gold, and everywhere I could sell them online. Starting off with this one, they got these kids shoes right here, and they are various sizes. This one is 4.5 and this one is 6.5, and they are selling for $29.99. I mean, I bought them for $29.99. I'm gonna list this one somewhere around 100, so at least I'm tripling my money, because the quality on this one is not bad, and the features, the design, and everything, as you can see right there, not bad. And also be on the lookout on kids section. Why? Because you can always convert the sizes of kids shoes into women's sizes, so you can get more cheaper shoes on the kids section that you could sell out to a woman, something like that, or something. If you are looking out for your family, look for kids section, and then they could use this as women's sizes. This one is 6.5. It might be converted to somewhere around size 8 for women, so that's a good one right there. Tripling my money. I'm gonna list this one somewhere around 100. Okay, so this one is so lucky to have this one. I'm so wow. It's my first time to have a Burlington. I mean, it's first time to have something called a Jordan shoes in Burlington. Some of the Instagram posts where they have a lot of Jordans, but I don't know why my area is not getting that enough. First time I got lucky. And one is the utility something. I'm gonna list this out somewhere around 130 to 150, because this one is size 8, which is a really good size for women's. Got them for $39.99 plus tax, the colorway, and also the design. And it's very good also because cold weather or winter is coming, so I'll wait out for this one to sell out somewhere around December, something right there. So I'm gonna do an update on that one if I sold them somewhere in that month. Okay, moving on with nice, good looking and quality running shoes. This one is the Zolar Boost ST19 and comes with huge boost right there. And I like this one is the boost is color black, and if they are running on it, it's not too much showing up some kind of dirt found there. So this one is $39.99 for the dollar. This one I'm gonna take at least 30 to 40% because today is getting cold, so I'm gonna let it go for a really quick. Next one, this is also my first to saw a 0 grand on the Burlington, and this is in women's section, and to my surprise they are $12. What? 0 grand for $12? Why not? So I'm gonna list this one somewhere around $50. Getting them a 0 grand quality Cole Haan shoes. Wow. Another good one that I found is the Cortez golf shoes. Comes with a really nice design. This one is in women's, so there you go. The price $24.99. Not bad. Oh, look at those. Okay, what I'm gonna do this one, list this one somewhere around 100, 110, 115, somewhere that price. This one is so nice, the Air Max Valentine, $29.99. Ooh, look at those design with the Air Max. This one gonna list it out also somewhere around 90 to 100 because Air Maxes are if they're not really premium, they are just sitting around. Retail is somewhere 90 to 100, 120. So I'm gonna list it out a little bit lesser than the retail because not much going on. Also, not really some kind of something like much hype on it. But if you're looking into it, it's the Air Max Valentine. So the Nike with a heart. Look at those. Okay. Moving on with another Nike running shoes. This one is kind of small, but I still took it because it is a Nike React, Epic React. This Flyknit 1, I believe. Still good running shoes, and especially the price $39.99. That price, you can't get that price on the outlet. Usually Nike Epic React somewhere around price range less than 60, somewhere 55. You will get lucky if you could get them on that price. Okay, so we got more here. I really tempted to get this one for the personal, a super rep running shoes. It comes with this stock of Air Zoom, something like that. It fits really good though. This fly plate also on this one. So the thing is that I changed my mind to keeping this one. It is meant actually for speed run. So I said, so it might not meant for me because this is only for speed run, and I only wanted for a long run, something marathon, something like that, and this not gonna work for me, so I'm gonna let it go. And I got this one somewhere. How much? There you go, $45 on those. Okay, last two pair. This one is, I think this one is the most expensive one, $59.99. The Air Max 270, 720 with a huge bubble right there. The good thing on this one is it is a huge size of woman, so it also same thing goes with conversion of women's size to men's size, and this is size 11. That can be converted to 9.5 for men, so still a good size for men's, and it is nice color of it, triple black. Getting them for $59.99, $60. So price range, I'm gonna list it out somewhere 120, 135, somewhere that way. And best offer, I could do free shipping as well. And lastly, this one is really premium quality of Jordans, and I got me one of this with a different color with is the black, and I point out this very soft buttery leather. I wish I could have this one into those actual Jordan with some zip, and those are like, some of them are cheap leather, but this one I wish it could been something like that, because this is so soft. I really like the softness all around. Oh, so the one that I have, I'm thinking to customize it, put some hole and put some lace, something like that. Okay, so how much we bought this one? $49.99. Ooh, take that price. So wow, can't go wrong on those. So most of this one I'm gonna triple my money, unlike this quick flip right here, and doubling the money, double, and a quick flip right there. So some of them are, I'm gonna go a little bit 30 to 40%. Some of them are more than 100% or to 100%, especially these Jordans. Another Jordan right there. So what do you think on this pickup on the Burlington? Can you please leave a comment? And if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up? And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I hope you like this video, and I hope you learned something that I pick up from Burlington. And that would be all. Nolasco here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.